Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to replace your SoFi debit card. If you don't have a SoFi account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $25 after signing up and adding at least $10 to your account within 5 days. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Money tab. Then you will see options at the upper right part of this page. Click on the More option. On this page, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Debit Card. Under the Report Your Card as Lost or Stolen section, you will see a button that says Replace Card. Click on the Replace Card button. Then choose the reason that applies why you need to replace your card. Then on this page, review the details of your replacement. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm Replacement button. That's how you replace your SoFi debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.